Good day, ma'am. I'm Miko Luigi Manalili from Cebu, San Miguel, Bulacan. I'm 19 years old. Ang talent ko po, magmahal at sumayaw. Ang hobby ko po ay mag-target shooting at suntokin ng pader namin pag nagsiselos ako. Quote po ay, kung may problema ka, is your problem.
Machiavelli. It's time to go, but you know how to stay.